Banff National Park's majestic Rocky Mountains during sunrise. Welcome to Banff, Alberta, a natural wonder. Discover the breathtaking beauty of Banff, where nature's splendor meets unparalleled adventure. Scenic beauty, turquoise waters of Lake Louise reflecting surrounding peaks. Dense forests with wildlife like elk and bears. Sulphur Mountain Gondola. From the pristine waters of Lake Louise to the panoramic vistas atop Sulphur Mountain, Banff offers a landscape of extraordinary beauty. Hikers exploring Johnston Canyon. Kayakers paddling on Moraine Lake. Skiers carving down the slopes of Banff's Sunshine Village. Experience the thrill of outdoor adventures, whether hiking, kayaking, or skiing in one of the world's most stunning natural playgrounds. Visitors soaking in the Banff Upper Hot Springs. A luxurious spa treatment with mountain views. Peaceful moments by the Bow River. Unwind and rejuvenate with serene hot springs, luxurious spa treatments, and tranquil moments by the Bow River. Local culture and cuisine visitors exploring Banff town with its charming shops and galleries. Dining experiences showcasing local cuisine. Immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture and savor exquisite culinary delights that reflect the region's rich sunset time lapse over Banff National Park. Banff, Alberta, your adventure awaits. Join us in Banff, where every moment is a masterpiece waiting to be discovered. Please like and subscribe our channel for more informative video.